everyone, welcome back at Charlotte from at Charlotte's house. I am out in my shed. It is chilly, but I'm making another ornament and I am super excited about this one. I am going to take advantage of my Instax printer and make some really, really cute ornaments. I think they're gonna be super easy. Stay tuned. I love working with my Instax printer. I can print any picture from my photo library onto this adorable film. There is something about this that makes me so, so happy. So I wanted to use some of my prints for a Christmas ornament. I am using this hobby board that I got at the Home Depot in the lumber aisle. It is, I believe, 48 inches long, 3.5 inches wide, and it is the perfect size for these printouts. Now, I could put the printouts either way, but I want to add a little bit of detail and a little bit of color. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over to my miter saw and I'm going to cut these to about 5 inches long, and I should be able to get quite a few ornaments out of this one piece. Be right back. I am planning to do the top one color, the bottom another color, and then the sides a third color, just to make this feel kind of graphic and fun. You've painted both the front and the back and the sides of your wood block. Bring over an Instax print and just make sure it's centered. I've already marked, and then you're gonna drill 2 holes on the top and 2 holes on the bottom. I want to walk you through this printer because it's one of my favorites. It is the Fujifilm printer for the Instax square paper like this, and all you need is the Instax Share app and you will connect to the printer. The printer has its own Wi-Fi signal, so you would connect to this just the way you would any other Wi-Fi network. And then I love it because you can print any picture from your phone. So I am scrolling through, I'm looking for a picture that would be fun to print out. There's a cute one of Louisa. So you can edit, you can determine where the picture is gonna print within the frame of the film. And once you've found the picture and you like the way it looks, you simply hit print and it's gonna come right out of the printer, and it couldn't be easier. Then you just wait for it to develop, but I'm gonna go find some other pictures and keep printing these out for my ornaments. I've gone ahead and I've used just a little glue dot on the corners to secure all of these pictures to the boards, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of texture. So I am ultimately gonna give these boards some tassels, but I'm gonna start by wrapping a little bit of yarn around the top just to secure it a little bit more. So I'm going to use my hot glue gun and I'm going to hold the yarn in place on the back, and then I'm going to wrap it around just a few times, maybe 4 or 5. Secure it again in the back. And then I'll repeat on the bottom.